Hi my dear children, I hope you all are fine and enjoyed my previous video for the Unit 1 Geometry. And now we learn about Unit 2 Number Sequence, 3-digit number and number name, comparison of numbers and ordering of numbers. In part 1, we will see the addition and subtraction in part 2. Now let us try some example for number sequence, that is count and write. Children, here one image is given with many objects. Kindly count and fill the above column. Now we will see the 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. The 2-digit numbers are 10 to 99 and the 3-digit numbers are 100 to 999. Next, we will learn the smallest and the biggest 2-digit numbers. The smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the biggest 2-digit number is 99. When we add 1 with the biggest 1-digit number 9, we will get the smallest 2-digit number 10. When you add 1 with the 99, we get the smallest 3-digit number 100. Here, 1 stands in the 3rd place value of the 100 place value chart. For place value chart, see from right to left. The first place value is ones, the second place value is tens and third place value is hundreds. Let us try some example for 3-digit number 113. You should see the place value from right to left. At 1's place value, number 3 is present. At 10's place value, number 1 is present. At 100 place value, number 1 is present. Let us do some quiz practice. Did you know how many zeros are present in the number 100? The answer is 2 zeros. There are 2 zeros present in the number 100. One more question for you children. The number 100 is either 2-digit or 3-digit. Yes, it is 3-digit number. Find the place value of number 7 in the given picture and also write the number value from 100 to 200. Now we will see the place value and its method. The first method is place value chart for the given 3-digit number. The second method is number block for the given place value, and the third method is abacus scale for the given 3-digit value, and the fourth method is expanded form. These 4 methods are frequently used in place value. Let us see some example for the place value methods. We can always write the numbers in standard form. The next one is base form. In this base form, we can use number blocks. Children, let us try the number block with the given 3-digit number 423. At 1's place value, single beads are used. Here number 3 is given, so we can draw 3 single beads. At 10's place value, we can use 10 beads as a long tail. Here number 2 is given, so we can draw 2 long tails. At 100th place value, square shaped tile is used. Here number 4 is given, we can draw 4 square shaped tiles. Abacus scale for the number 423. At last, we will see the expanded form. My dear students, here number name is given for ones, tens and 100th place value. Kindly do the practice. The next image is expanded form of 423. Do the expanded form from right to left. 1's place value, number 3 is present. At 10's place value, we will add 1 0 with the given number 20 is present. At 100th place value, we will add 2 zeros with the given number 400 is present. Once we expand the given number, we can easily write the number name. The next topic is skip count by 2s, 5s, 10s and hundreds. In this picture, we will see skip count of 2s, 3s, 5, 10 and hundreds. Let us do some practice for 10 skip count. The first given number is 10. You can add the 10 with the given number. We will get the next blank number as 20. And the next blank value answer is 30. Because 20 is added with 10 again. Next topic is odd and even number. An odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And an even number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. See the number chart. Here odd numbers are colored in blue and even numbers are colored in pink. For example, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29 are odd numbers. It ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. My dear children, write the numbers from 1 to 20 and color an odd number in red and an even number in green. Our next topic is comparison of numbers. We can compare the given two objects either by height, weight and number of countings. There are three symbols used in comparison: greater than, less than and equal to. I repeat, comparison symbols are greater than, less than and equal to. Let us do comparison of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. See the picture. 190 has 3-digit numbers and 91 has 2-digit numbers. Once again, 190 has 3 numbers and 91 has 2 digits. Let us compare. The first given number is bigger and the second given number is smaller, so we can use the greater than symbol. Let us compare 3-digit number using expand form. The first step, we can expand the two given numbers. Then the second step is compare the 100th place value. Here both sides are 400, so it is equal. Next, compare the 10th place value. 10th place value, the first number is smaller, that is 60, and the second number is bigger, that is 70. If the first number is smaller and the second given number is bigger, we can use the lesser than symbol. My dear children, let us see some worksheet. At the first worksheet, circle the most. In the second worksheet, if the first given object is more, you should put greater than symbol. If the first given object is less, you should put lesser than symbol. The last topic is ordering of numbers. We can use two types of ordering. One is ascending form, another one is descending form. In ascending order form, we can arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Descending order form, we can arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Let us know how to arrange the 3-digit number in ascending order form with some examples. Here 4 3-digit numbers are given. See only the 100th place value and arrange the numbers in ascending order form. In the given number, 4 is smaller, so we can write 469 in first place. There are two numbers in 500s. The first smaller number is 518. In the third place, we can write 541. And the last digit is 931. Now we can arrange all the numbers in ascending order. Let us use the same example for descending order. We can arrange from biggest to smallest. Here the biggest number is 931 and the second number is 541. The third number is 518 and the last number is 469. It is the smallest number in the given value. Children, let us do the worksheets for the ascending and descending order form. Here book exercise was given for your kind reference. Kindly do the sum and check the answers. Thanks for watching the video. We will see addition and subtraction on next video as a part 2.